formula. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. We need to find out its area. Let's draw a triangle. The sides are in the ratio of 12:17:25. Let's take the sides are ABC. Let A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to X. Let we have taken all is equals to X because it's in the ratio. Then A is equals to 12 and B is 17 and C is 25 times. So A is 12 times. So it is 12x. It becomes 12 into X and B is 17x and C is 25x. As we know, the perimeter of this triangle is 540 centimeters. So A plus B plus C is equals to 12 plus 17 plus 25. All x values 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equals to, we know the perimeter of this triangle is 540 centimeters. So let's make it equals to 540 centimeters. So we know this all we have taken as x and these are same variables like terms. So we can add all the terms. So we get here 20, here 39. So 29 plus 25. 29 plus 25 is 54. So 54x is equals to 540 centimeters. So x value is equals to, x is 10 centimeters. So we got the value of x now. The value of x is 10 centimeters. So we need to find out the area of triangle. So area we know. So area is equals to square root of s into s minus c, s minus b into s minus c, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So that is the area of a scalar triangle we have discussed in previous class. So let's find out this s. S is half of the perimeter of triangle. So let's find out the s. S is equals to half of the perimeter. So perimeter we know that is 540 centimeters. Perimeter by 2 is 540 by 2. So it's when we do the perimeter, its perimeter is 270. So 270 is the perimeter, half of the perimeter. So S is 270. So when we do that, when we substitute in the place of S, S is equals to 270. So the value of S is equals to 270 centimeters. So let's substitute these all the values in the area of a triangle. That area of a triangle is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So capital A is equals to s into s is we know. Capital S is 270. So 270 into s minus a. S is 270 minus a. A we know that is 12x because we have taken a is 12x. So 12 into x. X is 10. So 120. It becomes 120. So next one is s minus b. S minus b is 270 minus b is the value of b is 17x. X is 10 centimeters. So 17 into 10 is 170. So 170. So next one is 270 minus c. C, the value of c is 25x. 25 into 10. X is 10. So 25 into 10 is 250. So we get 250 here. This is our last term is we get 270 minus 250. 270 minus 250. So let's subtract these values, all the terms in this inside the square root. So what we get is a is equals to 270 into, So when we subtract this both, so 150 we get this both. 270 minus 120 is 150. So 270 minus 170 is 100, and 270 minus 250 is 20. So the square root of is all the numbers. So let's find out the square root for this. So when we take the square root for this all, we get this, we know this is 9 into 30, because 9 into 30, and this is 30 into 5, we get, so this is 100, let's write the same thing, into 5 into 4, we can write this 20. So let's see, we got all the perfect squares in this. So let's recall this. 270 is 9 into 30. The reason of writing 9 into 30 is here we get 30 here into 5, we can write this. So that's the reason we took this 9 into 30. So 150 we can take in this manner, that is 30 into 5. The reason is we have 30 here and we can get one more 30, it becomes pair, and then we can take out the square root from it. So 30 into 5 is 100, it's a perfect square, no need to change anything. And 20 we have written as, we can written as 5 into 4. So already we have got 1 4 or 5 here, and this 4 is a perfect square. So that's the reason 5 and 5 it becomes a perfect square. So let's take out this all the terms and write in a proper manner in order. So 9, it's a perfect square, no need to think about it. So 30 into 30, it becomes a perfect square again. It's a perfect square. So, and here 5, this is one more 5. So 5 into 5. So into 100, into 4. So let's take out this perfect squares from this. The square root of 9 is, the square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 30 into 30, so we will get one of the number from this pair because it's square root. So we got 30 from it. So from this we get one of the pair, from this pair we get one number, that is 5. And this is 100. 100 means we know the square root of 100 is 10. So 4 is 2. So into 2. So it's, we call 9 is 3. 130 into 5 and into 10 is this is 4 2. So square root, this square root is 1 for all the perfect squares we took out. So a is equals to, this is 3 3s are 9, so 90 into 50 into 2. So 50 into 2. So this is a is equals to, capital A is equals to 90 into 100. So finally we get a is equals to 9,000 centimeters square. So the area of a triangle, and its sides are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its area is 9,000 centimeters square. And then in this manner we can find out the area of triangle. So let's go to the next problem. So this we have discussed about this picture. This is in the shape of aeroplane. So first picture, first diagram is in the shape of triangle. So let's take the area of a triangle. So we know, we have discussed area of a triangle is A is equals to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square units. So let's find out the S. S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So A is, so we know the sides are 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So 5 plus 1 is divided by 2, 11 by 2, that is 5.5 centimeters. So we got 5.5 centimeters. Let's substitute this S and A, B, C values in the formula. So we get A is equals to square root of S is 5.5 into, so 5.5 minus A is 5 centimeters, 5.5 minus B is 5 centimeters again. So again S 5.5 minus 1. So we get, let's subtract these all the values. So A is equals to square root of 5.5. So when we subtract this both, we get 0.5. So here also same thing, 0.5. So when we subtract this, we get 4.5. So see, let's see here. We get 0.5, 0.5. So the square root of this, we can take out one of the number from this pair. So we get 0.5, and inside we get this 5.5 into 4.5. So let's write this 0.5, and so after simplification we get here 2.488 centimeters square. So when we multiply these both the numbers and we find out approximate value of square root for this number, so we get one of the constant value and multiply with the 0.5, and we get 2.488 centimeters square approximately. This is the first picture. For the first picture, we have calculated the area for this. So let's find out the area for the second picture, that is second diagram. For second diagram, it's in the shape of rectangle. So area of a rectangle is L into B. So let's multiply this both. So L's length is 6.5 centimeters into breadth is 1 centimeter. 6.5 and 1. This is 6.5 centimeters and breadth is 1 centimeter. So into 1, that is 6.5 centimeters square. So for the second picture we have calculated. We got the area. So 6.5 centimeters square. So first one, second one, we got it. And let's find out the third one. So already we have discussed about it. So let's draw a line to the midpoint of opposite side, that is, so from here to here, this is 1 centimeter. This is a midpoint we have taken for the 2 centimeters. So 1 centimeter, and this is remaining 1 centimeter, and we join it, we get 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It's an equilateral triangle. Let's apply the equilateral triangle formula for this. So remaining is, let's say, parallelogram, because 1, 1, and opposite sides are parallel and equal. This 1 and 1. So let's find out the perpendicular height for this parallelogram. So let's draw this picture in this manner. So we'll understand very clearly then. So we draw a perpendicular line to this. So this is 0.5 centimeter, and we take a midpoint for this. It's a 1 centimeter from here to here, and remaining one is, this is 1 centimeter. Totally 2 centimeters we have. So we join this one in this manner. This is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. It's a parallelogram. Remaining thing is parallelogram. For this parallelogram, we are finding the area. So to find out the area of this parallelogram, we know this is 1 centimeter here. So this is 0.5. And let's find out the height of for this. So it's we draw a perpendicular line. So height will be, it's a right angle triangle it forms. So 1 square plus 1 square is equals to h square plus 0.5 square. So 1 square 1 is h square plus 0.5 is whole square is 0.25. So 1 minus 0.25 is equals to h square. So 0.75 is equals to h square. So h is equals to square root of 0.75. So height is 0.75. So when we find out 0.75 square root, we'll be getting 0.86.